Hello everyone. I'm so sorry for the break in transmission the other time. I had technical issues as regards to my internet server, and I'm still battling these issues for the last 2 days now. And I just hope that things get better. Though I've laid appropriate the complaints to the appropriate quarters, and they are sure that things are going to be better. So I just hope that things get better. So I'm sorry for that. So I had to open another new link as regards to this XAUUSD live monitoring. So once again, I welcome you all to another promising session. And like I was saying earlier in my before the break in transmission, I was talking about a new setup we've identified here on the 1 hour time frame, which of course we are going to be using to position ourselves ahead of the PPI data coming up in about 26 minutes from now. And we have a resistant line which is situated at the $1,963.50 level, where I told us all that I'm going to be having a buy stop order to capitalize on this trend continuation to the upside. Of course, we have been profitable so far this week, so we can afford to leverage on the profit we have made so far this week to test waters around that $1,963.50 level to capture the trend continuation to the upside. So let's leverage on that one. Then I also talked about the potentials of sellers too at this particular point in time, considering the strong impulsive move we saw since the beginning of the week. So I took into consideration what happened yesterday here, where I said for those who had bought at a very cheap price, that is the big players in the market who had bought at a very cheap price, let's say around the 1,935 level, will at one point want to be doing some profit taking activity, which of course would reflect on the chart as a retracement of that previous impulse leg. And those kind of activities could come up anywhere so anytime soon, considering this whole consolidation phase we are seeing here. And for us to consider selling this particular market, a breakdown of the $1,955.50 level could be a retest of structure, could be that opportunity to join a retracement to the downside. And I said here that if price retraces, then we are going to be paying attention to that zone around that ascending trend line and the 1,944.41 level, where we shall be looking forward to see how the market is going to react to that zone, as depending on what happens here will determine if we are going to be adding more sell position to our existing trade or getting ready to join another wave of bullish momentum. But when price gets into that structure, trust me, I'm going to be with you in the comment section to give you updates as at when due. So at this point in time, our simple setup we are using for today is just this range here. Let me zoom this in a little bit so that we can see things clearly. So we have a range here. So our center of focus for today is between the $1,963.50 level and of course the 1,955, and I'm of the opinion that price action has a higher chance of breaking out of the $1,963.50 level to incite another wave of bullish momentum. But if it drops below the $1,955.50 level, of course we are going to be getting ready to be part of that move to the downside. So these are my views here on the XAUUSD so far. Let's see how price action will play out in the next couple of minutes or so before the PPI data, which is coming up in about 22 minutes from now. And I will definitely be giving you updates in the trading journal on the left hand side of your screen. So please pay attention to the wording scrolling at the left hand side of your screen, as I will be giving you updates there. And if you are with me on my Trading View and Telegram platform, of course you will definitely get updates on that platform too. And if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and trust me, I am here and willing to be of help in that regard. Okay, Lade says sorry about that. Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right, so let's see how the market is going to play out in the next couple of hours. Trust me, I'm here and I wish you all best of luck as we continue to monitor price action. See you on the other side. In an hour's time, I'm going to be doing another live commentary, so I hope to see you live on here. Do have a wonderful day, everyone, and see you on the other side. Cheers.